At Power Electrics, we provide many services to our customers, one of which is our load bank testing service. So what is load bank testing? It is the process of using a mobile load bank to accurately mimic the operational loads that a generator can achieve. We use a load bank testing service to test your generator to its full capacity without disrupting the power supply to the building. To do this, we will deliver the mobile load bank to your site where an engineer will apply electrical load to the generator in stages. We currently have a large range of resistive load banks available to meet your requirements and provide a nationwide service. So why should you use the load bank testing service? There are several reasons why we recommend you choose the load bank testing service we provide. It reduces chances of power generator failure and helps to maintain the required supply of power. It also ensures that all power systems at the location can produce electricity to their full capacity. Load bank testing gives you peace of mind that your generator has the capacity to work in the event of an emergency. When it comes to a generator, the earlier a problem is recognized, the less costly the repairs will be. Contact us today to discuss your load bank requirements.